What's up YouTube, I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys some of the first accessories you're going to need for your iPhone 14 Pro, Pro Max, or just your regular iPhone 14 and 14 Plus. So the main thing you're going to need is a case. So I got this one from Case Logic. I ordered this before the iPhone even came out. So we're going to see how it fits. So I like my case clear with a little bit of protection. So there you go. Got a nice little grip on the sides. So yeah, so it's gray with like a black camera bump. Put that there. And the main thing you're gonna need, not the main thing, the second most important thing is a screen protector. So I got these from Spigen. And the cool thing about these screen protectors, it comes with a installation device. Just rip it open out. I think so. But yeah. So it comes with an installation device. So basically, if you look right here, it'll tell you this is the top and this is the bottom. So you're gonna basically just put your phone like this is the top right here. Just drop it in there, and then it's gonna put the screen protector on for you, and then you press it on and do all that stuff. But first it comes with also cleaning stuff, so you could clean your device, all the regular stuff, and it comes with two. So here's another one in the kit, in the box. So put those to the side. So I'm gonna install this right now. So I have my iPhone 14 right here, 14 Pro Max. And it comes with tape. So if you see a little spot on there you want to get off, you could just use some tape to pick it up. So there it is right there. So I'm going to install this. So how to install it, you're going to peel this part off. So the screen protector is in there. And then you're just going to put your phone in it like that. Put your phone in it like that, hold on to it, press on this part right here. Press and hold, and you can see it slowly put it in on your device. Just like that. And the screen protector will be on your device. Just let it sit for a couple of seconds. Or 30 seconds. You can see right there, press and slide, wait 30 seconds, and then remove from here. So I guess you would remove from like the bottom side. So, and then you could just do the rest. So let me remove it real quick. You just remove from this part, and now you have a screen protector on your device. The screen protector is actually on there right now, so you're good to go. I know this is trash, you could just throw it away. And yeah, the screen protector is on your device. You could feel a lip. I don't know if you could see it, but there's a little lip right there. Nice. Look, the notch or the island, whatever that is, dynamic island is right there. No intrusion. And if you have some bubbles and you want to get the bubbles out, you could just like rub it. And look at that wobble. Look at that huge camera bump. This thing is just wobbling. Sorry about that. There you go. Now I got my screen protector on. Now it's time to put this case on. So these are the first thing you want to do. So once you order your phone, make sure to get your screens, protectors, and your case. So you can see a little blemish right there. No, it's gone. There you go, guys. iPhone nice and protected. Huge camera bump to protect those huge cameras. Cutouts, power button, volume button, nice and clicky. The cutout right there. So that's how you protect your iPhone 12, iPhone 14 Pro Max, or any iPhone altogether. Clean up the camera and some other accessories that I got, because you know you have to go with your phone. Right, okay, don't get a charger with your iPhone anymore. You get the cable, but you don't get the brick. So I ordered this brick from Anchor. It's 30 watts, even though I think the iPhone only supports 20 watts. But I think this is 30. Yep, 30. Take it out, and it's so small. It's small, just like the old iPhone 5-watt chargers. So that's the cool thing about this. Look at that. That thing is gorgeous. How small that is. It says Anchor right there. Nice, small. Matches the iPhone. Pretty nice. And not only that, let's get these out of the way, because it's going all out. I also got the cable from Anchor, because that one I have, the one that comes with the iPhone, it works, but it's too short. You can keep that one for your car. If your car supports USB-C, but now I got the black cable, and I think this one is like 6 feet. It's like that. So lightning, USB-C, black. So I am ready to go. I got my screen protector, I got my case, I got my charging brick that supports 30-watt charging, super fast for the iPhone, more than you need, and I got my cable, and I'm set. So there you go, guys. These are all the main things you need for your iPhone 14 Pro or 14 Pro Max or regular iPhone or any iPhone to get started. Case, screen protector, charging wire, and charging brick. And there you go. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like. Peace. Thanks for watching.